This is something that I see often, especially whenever I have my vehicle, my phone on airplane mode, that there are just random vehicles parked at places. Just random vehicles parked at places. Like, look at this vehicle here. I don't fucking see anybody here. Wait, is that person? No, that wasn't a person. Yeah, there was a person in there. Leaned up for a second, but there's no reason for that motherfucker to be parked out here. No reason at all. Just parked on private property like that. And that I don't know. It's, there's tons of random vehicles parked all over the place, but